getting it out there, probably 10 to 15 feet of water, letting it sit on the bottom and just jigging it off that bottom, bouncing it, and those whitefish will grab it right when it hits that bottom.
Oh yeah.
All right, got another whitefish here. Fish in the river. Got it in the snow. Beautiful whitefish. Look at that tail all chewed up. Dang. Yeah, not cold enough to go ice fishing. We don't have safe ice yet, but rivers, they're still flowing in the rivers. All right, let's let this one go. Oh yeah, beautiful. Okay, just caught this little bull trout here, northwest Montana. Can't keep them here, so I'm gonna put it back, trying not to injure it at all. Beautiful little bull though, you know, a little over a pound. Oh yeah. Life is good.